Welcome to Chapter 4, Section 9, entitled Algebra, Ordered Pairs and Functions. Alright, so there's a lot of vocabulary here. Let's start off by saying that the coordinate plane is formed when two lines intersect at their 0 point. And if we want to get a little more specific, it should be number lines. And two number lines intersect at their 0 point. So basically here is a number line. Alright, there's a 0. And another number line goes right through it, also at 0. This point is called the origin. Alright, so basically right here, this point is the origin, and it is a place where it's 0 on this axis and 0 on that axis. So the blank number line is the x-axis. So you're going to say the horizontal number line is the x-axis, and the vertical axis is the y-axis. Ordered pairs name points on the coordinate plane. The first number in an ordered pair is the x-coordinate, and the second number is the y-coordinate. So looking here, this is a coordinate plane. Technically, this line continues in this direction, and this line continues in this direction. This point right here is the origin, and these are the x and the y's. This is the proper way of labeling a coordinate plane. You don't need the grids, but it would be helpful. So if you were to see a number like 2, 3, the first number is the x-coordinate, and the second number is the y-coordinate. So if this is the x-axis, 2 is the x-coordinate, so right here. 3 is the y-coordinate, so it's right there. And now, if you look this way, and you go this way, the place where those two coordinates cross is how you graph these points. Alright, so always start at the origin. Move right along the x-axis until you are under point S. The x-coordinate of this ordered pair is 1. Now move up until you reach the point S. The y-coordinate is 2. Now you know the ordered pair is 1, 2. Let's look at it on our own. Point E. Well, it says move to the right, so you start here, move to the right until you're underneath it. That is the x-coordinate. You then move vertically, you move straight up until you hit the point you're looking for. That's 2. So your point is at 3, 2. To graph a point means to place a dot at the point named by an ordered pair. An ordered pair. So again, if you're plotting the point, this time let's do 3, 1. Well, start here, you move to the right first, to 3. Then you move up 1. And that's how we get it. That's 3, 1. So taking a look at this, let's plot 2, 2. So you're going to start at the origin, move 2 units to the right, on the x-axis, then move 2 units up, 2 units up to the located point T. Draw a dot and label the dot T. So T is 2, comma 2. So let's take a look at this. Start of the origin to get to U, you go 1 and 1/2, and there's a 0 in the y coordinate. So if the y coordinate is 0, you don't go, there is no up. So 1.5 is halfway between 1 and 2. So on the x-axis, move halfway between 1 and 2. Move 0 units on the y-axis and draw a dot and label it U. So on that same part, let's do 0, 1 and label it F. So 0 is the x, 1 is the y. So 0, 0, 1, and label it F. Then 2, 1, 2.5. Draw a point, label it G. Now do 3, 3, and then 1.5. So 1.5, label it H. And that's it. That's how you plot these points. So now you need an ordered pair. You need to come up with ordered pairs. That means that the days are the X and the Y's is the food cups. So the ordered pairs are, what is the first X coordinate? What is the second X coordinate? Or what is the first Y coordinate? What is the second X coordinate? And what's the second Y? And you do that with the third set and the fourth set. And then when you graph these things, you end up with points like right here, 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, and 4, 8. Now, as you are reading, you read from left to right. And so when it says, then describe the graph, what are these points doing? What are they doing? Are they going up or are they going down? And then you should use a proper word. The points increase. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. Check your progress. So our ordered pairs are 1, 4, then 2, 8, then then 3, 12, and 4, 16. So you will have to draw these coordinate planes a lot. And you can scale them and draw them however you want, as long as the x-axis is the horizontal, y-axis is the vertical. So let's do our blue point. 1, 1, 4. Let's do the green point. Oh, I'm sorry, we should label it too. Yeah, you don't have to label it for now. So then 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 12. And then lastly, 4, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So there you go. There's our plot. Go to the right first, then up. And you describe the graph as increasing. It increases. All right. Do not forget to do the CYUs. It's a major portion of your grade. And then we will work on these during class. Good luck.